Hi beauties, Valentine's Day makeup tutorial countdown number 2 is here, and we are going to start off with my whole face pretty much done, from foundation to concealer, bronzer and blush, as you can see, and some highlight. The only thing that I'm missing is the lipstick and the eyes. So let's get started. We're going to start off with Too Faced Chocolate Bar and the Sedona EB13 brush. This brush I will be using to do the base of my eyeshadow with the white chocolate. And we are just going to put it all over my lid. Yes, all over. Nothing fancy here. Next eye there. Again, a base. Now we're going to go in with Hazelnut with the Moda crease brush. And we're going to start off at the end of the eye with most of the product. And once I'm done there, I'm going to bring it in a little bit. I'm not going to say all the way, but somewhat, just to give that transition color there. And then do the other eye. Now we're going to go in with this angled brush from e.l.f. This is just an eyeshadow brush that has an angle to it, and we're going to go in with hot chocolate. And yes, hot chocolate. Just giving my eyes some definition. Now we're going to go in with this flat brush here. It does have a curve on top, and we're going to use the creme brulee to pack it on the lid, just like that. There you go. Now we're going to go in with Champagne Truffle, and we're using this fluffy brush here that I can never remember the name. And then finish it off with this Clinique black eyeliner. This is more like a pen. And just a thin line right above the waterline. Now we're going to go in with this flat e.l.f. brush. This is a smudge brush, and we're going to go in with hot chocolate and cherry cordial, just a mixture to put at the bottom on my eyeliner line. Now we're going to go in with Tarteist. That's right, Tarteist for my mascara. And finally, the lip liner and the lip gloss. The lip liner is a Revlon lip liner, and the color is burgundy. Yes, it's a little darker than the lip gloss that I'm about to use, but once I blend that lip gloss in, you barely see the eyeliner. I usually don't do a very dark lip liner with a lighter lip gloss, but this one will cover it up. And as you can see, that is the lip gloss there, and it is a pretty matte lip gloss once it dries a bit, but as you can see, it will cover that lip liner up. It's just to give me some definition on those lips. And there you have it. Look countdown number 2. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you for the Valentine's Day look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.